Sam, is that a little deep? Holy buckets. That is deep snow. Did you build a fort, Sam? That's a few feet of snow in there. You going back for more? Huh? Rip, what is in there? Rip, what's in there? What's in there? Abby, you're just a little thing with little legs. I'd have to dive in after you. Huh? Dogs, dogs! Sam, Rip, come here. Come here. Rip, Rip, what's in there? You smelled something. What's in there? What's in there? Sam, go in there. What's in there, Sam? What's in there? What's in there? Huh? Oh, it's so deep. Those are big jumps. Huh, Sam? Big jumps. Good dogs. Good dogs. Good dogs. Good dogs. Oh, oh. What's it? You smell them there too? What's in there? That's deep. You're getting stuck. Huh, Rip? Keys to move fast, huh? Skip all over that. Good boys. You good boys. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Good boys. They like the smell of the snow. There's something. Like to eat it.